behind me, we have this gorgeous Lamborghini Aventador SV. This is actually one of my favorite SVs out there. The configuration on this is amazing. It's a very special paint called Viola Mel. It's a matte metallic purple color, which I've never seen before in an Aventador. It's really, really nice. The interior is also beautiful. It has the race seats with black and dark orange contrast stitching. This car, we actually had to save with a dead battery. So we replaced the battery, reset the system, did a service on it. However, this car is very special because it has actually a Balboni exhaust system on there that we did about a year ago. This thing sounds as close to an F1 car as possible. It's got cat delete pipes and the Balboni titanium exhaust system. So you'll be able to see the purple titanium look on the mufflers from the back grills. Looks really amazing. Since we did do the reset, we're gonna take it on a test drive. So if you have headphones, be careful. Behind me, we have two cars. One, brand new Range Rover. Two, brand new G63 Mercedes-Benz. These two cars are both very, very popular for us to wrap. This car is going from white to satin black, including jams and everything, so we're gonna get rid of all that white. The G63 is going from black to satin tan, which you guys have seen on my Range Rover. It's a custom color. You guys also saw Kanye West wrap it in that color.
BMW 135i here. Javier is replacing the belt, tensioner, and pulley on this car. It's making a lot of noise. We're gonna get this thing done in about an hour and get this into the customer. We have a supercharged Range Rover here. This car is here today for brake job. As you guys can see, the brake pad warn indicators on. Let's take it to the bay and let's get started. steal this one.
This one?
Yeah, let me see.
So my customer give it to me. Brand new. Don't touch it. See? It's like a gold diamond, okay? Hold it, boy.
Car is finished. We have all original parts installed on this car. Of course, when you deal with Range Rover, I would recommend to actually do all original parts. That's what you do on these cars. You don't try to save a couple of dollars by doing cheap stuff because it's going to show with sound, noise. So we're on a test drive and we're headed back to RDB and we're going to give the car back to the customer tonight.
Alright, so behind me, you guys will see my Range Rover, and then you guys will see this new G63. Both are in that custom satin tan wrap color. My Range Rover, we were the first ones to get that color created. They don't come in satin in this tan color, so we made it. This is Alesso's G63. Very, very popular DJ right now. I'm sure you guys have heard of him. We just did his Lamborghini Aventador, and now we just did his brand new G63. This color is insane on this car. We also did gloss black accents. The front bar was powder coated in gloss black. The wheels were powder coated gloss black. We did pinstriping around the wheels just for fun. I think it looks cool. It comes off if we want. It's reversible. But this G-Wagon looks amazing in this color. We've been getting a lot of feedback on this color. A lot of people love it. You guys saw Kanye West do this color on his Lamborghini Urus. I'm sure the inspiration was probably from my Range Rover. So keep watching and get more inspired by RDB.
The GoPro's gonna fall, Vick.
Don't, that shit hurts. It's a pain. Don't. Hey.
This is dangerous.
Stuck in my leg.
Don't do it to me. It's for sure bleeding. Don't.
Oh, he's a liar.
It got stuck on my leg. What do you mean it was hanging?
It's fucked up. Shoot the tire. You can shoot a tire. Don't do it.
She's bad. Don't move.
Yeah, man. Lift up your leg. Are you bleeding?
You have to lift it up for camera.
Oh yeah.
You have
lift it
to.
up. Let's see it. I think it's his hands up there, man. He's going to the leg. He's going to the leg.
Hey man, come here.
I mean, that's very bad. Oh my god. It's very dangerous.
So BMW is finished. We are on a test drive just to make sure there's no noise. We did change the tensioner, the pulley. We also changed the belt on this car and did a service. So car is good to go. There's no noise actually. It sounds very, very good. And we're headed back to RDBLA.